Here we have a 1991 Chevy 454 SS 1500. It has 181,000 kilometers on the odometer, which is just over 100,000 miles. And she's a little bit sick. It has probably blown head gasket in it. There's the engine bay. And it will not run right now as is because there's a bunch of coolant in the oil. Now, I don't know if its number's matching. I can find out for you. But what I can tell you is that this truck is for sale. Now, it needs an engine. But there's no emotional attachments to this truck. The person test driving it to buy it actually puked the engine. So, if you are looking for a 454 SS pickup truck that has been painted but is in very, very good shape, hit me up in the next week or two if you're interested in this truck at all. It is going to have that 454 rebuilt. Now, they had like 235 horse, which is really nothing compared to what you're able to get out now. So putting it back together for nostalgic's sake, to kind of keep it original, even though it's been painted. This is not an original car, but it is in excellent shape. So, or if you want to buy it as is, let me know. Otherwise, it's for sale after the engine work has been done. Or we have a perfectly good 6-liter inside the shop that we can completely rebuild instead of that 454. And we also have a turbo kit for it that's somebody had as a project but decided not to go with. We could build that for you too. Anyway, hit me up, make an offer, reasonable offer as is. Shouldn't need anything for safety. We can work that out as well. We can work the safety into the price. It does need some tires, but that's not a big deal. Otherwise, it'll be for sale after we do all the work and the videos on it. And this one will be coming out in a couple of weeks, I think. It's a quick job because all I'm doing is either pulling the engine, sending it out, and putting the engine back in again, or if you want, we can put that 6-liter turbo in which case it's a much longer project, but a much cooler truck when it's done. So, yeah, here we go.